Hi all. So welcome to this session. My name is Ashwin P. Chandran. I'm Director of CGP Career Revenues. This is aimed at current final year students, S7 students. Okay. So please spare 5 to 7 minutes to watch this video. It should be helping you for your placements and other exam preparations. Okay. So currently you are studying in S7. Many of you would have already been placed. Many are looking seriously for getting a job. And also some may be preparing for exams like CAT or GATE. Okay. So let me just briefly explain on how to go ahead. Okay. Now, when you talk, if you are a student who is passionate to go for management studies, okay, like get into IAM and all, I seriously advise you to consider CAT examination. But if you have not started preparing for CAT, it's too late now because exams will be in December. Okay, so you won't get ample time for CAT exam. Now, if you are not placed, definitely you take placement part into serious consideration. Prepare for aptitude, verbal, reasoning, and all. Don't give time to learn new programming languages. So, okay. So, big difference is many students start learning Java or Python. It's not required. To get into companies, you have to solve coding questions by learning data structures and programming concepts. So, you don't have to study new language. You should be strong in data structures and some core programming concept, able to solve miscellaneous objective questions. Okay. Now I'm going to the most important part. Okay. And this is not on promotion of GATE. I just want to tell you the importance of this exam, which many are not aware. Many don't know they can go for MS abroad with 100% scholarship based on GATE score. Many are not aware that you can work in private companies also based on GATE score. Okay, so I just want to give some benefits of GATE exam. Okay, there are mainly three benefits. Job is one important benefit. You can get into PSUs. Around 83 to 85 PSUs are recruiting students based on the GATE score. Second opportunity is MTech. You can do MTech in any institution in India with monthly stipend. MHRD is paying like 12,500 rupees per month as stipend if you do MTech anywhere in India. So MTech through GATE is another option. But I seriously advise you to do MTech in NITs or IITs because the complete outlook will change and you will be working or studying with top in India and definitely huge salary. I mean, if you study engineering in a top college in Kerala or Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, except NIT, the package will be, average package will be 50 lakhs per annum. But here it will be like 25 to 40 lakhs per annum. So that's a big difference. And also PSUs are recruiting students from IITs and NITs. So definitely consider doing MTech in IITs or NITs. Third opportunity is MS abroad. Many foreign countries are providing 100% scholarship to Indian students based on the GATE score. So that is another consideration you have to consider. Hope you are clear till this point. So MTech in India, okay, especially IIT and NITs, MS abroad and PSU recruitment. And many private companies are also recruiting students based on the GATE score. Many private companies are also recruiting students based on the GATE score. You can consider that also seriously, private company recruitment through GATE exam. Okay. Now, so one student has asked me last year, I got into a construction company. They are paying 8,000 rupees per month. Okay. I advise that kid to consider doing MTech because that 2 year can be used as launching pad to get into PSUs or railway JE or SSC JE. Okay. Because even if that kid didn't have any GATE score. Okay. But based on the GPA, he would have got into a decent college for MTech. Okay. So rather than going for jobs as 15,000 rupees after doing engineering, some people say that you get experience and all, but I'm not a big fan of that. You should at least join organizations which pay at least 1 lakh or 2 lakhs per annum, at least 2 lakhs per annum. Okay. Now some students have asked me, can we prepare now for GATE? Okay. So in our organization, CGP Career Revenues, we create a study plan for the students. Okay. Now, it was best if you had joined in S3, okay, or S5. But even if you join now in September, you get 200 hours to prepare for GATE exam. You get 200 hours to prepare for GATE exam, which is not a bad number. Okay. And what we do is we create a study plan for you. You just have to follow study plans. Ideally, 40 to 50 hours a month. Okay. And I know you have to do projects, seminar, everything, and placements, but it is not challenging because you can easily dedicate 50 hours per month. Okay. If you plan properly. And first, anyway, you have prepared for placements. So 15 marks is from aptitude for GATE. You can score that without difficulty. 15 marks is from maths. You can also get somewhere 12 to 15 in both. So you can get 25 to 30 marks from maths and aptitude. It is normally qualifying marks. That means if you get 25 to 30, you have qualified GATE exam. That means you are eligible to get monthly stipend if you do MTech anywhere in India. It's a big advantage. You do MTech anywhere in India, you're getting a monthly stipend. Okay. Now, if you study 3 to 5 subjects thoroughly, then you can get a score that help you to get into NITs or some PSUs or some IITs. That is where CGP Career Avenues comes to picture. There are many coaching centers, but none of them, as far as I know, create a one-to-one plan for a student. We have a system complete. We have an offline facility at Trivandrum. Even students who have joined for online facility can attend revision classes that is scheduled in vacations at Trivandrum. And online system is more than enough to get all India rank 1. Okay, online system itself is enough to get all India rank 1 because we have something called one-to-one live doubt clearance. If a student is having a doubt, that student can come live and clear the doubts one-to-one, which no one else in India is doing. So one-to-one live doubt clearance facility is available. You can use that facility also. And you have all India mock tests, sessional tests. You have rank file containing 25 years questions worked out. All these facilities provided to you. And we provide 3-year access to you. You can prepare with us for 25 GATE, 25 bar, because March, April, BARC notification may come. You can also write BARC exam in March too. It may happen somewhere between March and June. ISR notification come. You can prepare for ISR exam with us. We do interview training for these PSUs also, ISR also, and we provide 3-year access. After 25, if you are not placed, okay, you can consider joining for MTech program, and that 2-year can be used as launching pad to get into PSUs or railway exam. And if you're adamant to go for placement, you go for placement. You can prepare in online mode or holidays with us for 26 GATE exam, 26 PSU exam, like that. So we provide 3-year access because even if you didn't make up in first year, we have got 2 more attempts without any additional fees. Okay. And also we advise you to choose second paper, which is very important. Many people don't understand the importance of second paper for GATE exam. So all the support mechanism you just have to take the preparation seriously. Just follow our study plan. Okay, we'll definitely guide you to come up with flying colors. Even if you are placed, take this exam seriously because if there's a recession, sometimes companies may not call you in time. Okay, so preparing for GATE or CAT will be very useful in that scenario. GATE or CAT. So we offer GATE for almost all branches of engineering: electronics, electrical, computer science, mechanical, civil, chemical engineering, and PI instrumentation. So you can seriously consider preparing with us to get into PSUs or IITs or ISR. Once again, we provide 3-year access. We have provision to get 16 printed books, sessional test, and all India mock test. So any student interested can contact CGP Career Avenues, and we'll be more than happy to support. Okay, so take this exam very seriously. You can contact me in this number. Okay, so this starts with one-to-one study plan and a mentored system. Online classes are there, live and recorded, and one-to-one live classes for the first time in India, and 25 years of previous questions worked out with interview training, and complete placement training with coding is made free in this program. So join CGP Career Revenues and take your journey forward. Thank you.